how to remove desktop icons without actually deleting them in Windows 11. Hey everyone, this is Lucy. Let's get to the video without any delay. There are two ways to remove your desktop icons. First, right-click on your desktop anywhere and click on this view in this drop-down menu. From there, you will see show desktop icons. It's already checked. You just need to click on it and it will uncheck this item. And as you can see, all of the icons from my desktop are now gone. So if you need those icons again, just right click on your desktop again and go to the same location and click on show desktop icons again, and you will see all of your icons in your desktop. So the method that I just showed you was for all of the icons in your desktop. But if you want to remove an individual icon from your desktop, then you need to follow another step. So you just need to right click on the icon you want to remove and go to its properties from this drop down menu. So you will come across this dialog box. In the top you will find several tabs. You just need to go to general and check this box which is hidden and click on apply and okay. So as you can see, my VLC media player is not currently available in my desktop. So in order to see this hidden icon, you need to go to your file explorer, and now you need to click on this view tab and you need to click on show. So at the end of this drop down menu you will find hidden items, and after that you will see a faded image of the icon that you just hide from your desktop. So in order to bring this back to your desktop, what you need to do is right click on it again and now go to properties and then general, uncheck this box, click on apply, then okay. So after that, make sure you have your hidden items unchecked, and that's how you remove icons from your desktop without actually deleting them. Thank you guys for watching. For more tutorials, don't forget to like and subscribe.